Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to log out a Steam account from another device. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just need to check my video description for this link. Just click on the link and this will open up. And you just need to log in to your Steam account guys. Select the sign in option and type the verification code. After logging in, you will get to this page. Select deauthorize all devices option and select the proceed option. And now you need to log in to all of your Steam accounts because it's gonna be log out everywhere. And now you can able to log in without having any problem. Again, check your Gmail for verification. And now you will be logged into Steam without having any problem. And don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.